Have you ever looked at the moon and noticed it keeps changing shape? One night it's a bright glowing circle, and another night it becomes a tiny silver slice. But here's the strange part: the moon never actually changes shape at all. You can see the moon from almost anywhere on Earth. Sometimes after dinner, sometimes before bed, and sometimes even during the daytime. But why doesn't it always look the same? The moon does not make its own light, it reflects sunlight, just like a mirror reflecting a flashlight. As the moon travels around Earth, different parts of the moon become lit by the sun, and from Earth, we only see part of that light. So, moon phases are really about how much sunlight we can see from Earth, not the moon changing shape. It's kind of like holding a ball under a lamp, different sides light up depending on where you stand. But then, why does the moon sometimes disappear completely? The moon travels all the way around Earth every month. That journey creates all the moon phases we see, from tiny crescents to giant full moons. There are different moon phases: new moon, crescent moon, half moon, and full moon. But what would happen if the sun stopped shining on the moon? Would we still see it at all? No sunlight means no bright moon. That's because the moon does not glow by itself. It needs sunlight to shine. First, the sun lights half the moon, then the moon moves around Earth. Finally, we see different parts of that bright side. The moon is always a full round ball, we just see different lit parts of it. And every month, kids all around Earth see the same moon phases, from forests to deserts to giant cities. So, why does the moon change shape? It's really sunlight, the moon moving around Earth, and the part of the lit moon we can see. But here's another mystery: why does the moon sometimes look huge near the horizon? Maybe we'll discover that next.
Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.